Okay, some WordPress basics. First of all, log in. If you stick wp-login.php at the end of your web address, it should get you to a screen that looks like this. You type in your login details and click login. This is the first thing you see. It's the WordPress dashboard with some quick stats. What we will be using here is mostly posts menu and the pages menu. Most of the rest of these menus on the left here are probably only used to set up WordPress initially, and somebody like myself or your web designer will be doing that for you. So to blog or to write news posts, you go to posts, add new, give the post a title, make it descriptive. For Google is the best advice I can give here. Add some content. If you want to stick an image in a post, embed an image in a post, click on add media button here, and you can drag an image into this box or click select files to open up a browser window on your computer. Just going to drag one in here, so that will upload off your computer. This screen deserves a little bit of explanation. The title of the image, it's wise to put that in for Google. That'll do. That actually is the name of the file I've dragged in there. That'll do. Alternate text. If you just copy that, Control C and Control V in there, and also Control V in there, that's Google sorted. You wouldn't normally want an image linking anywhere, so you can click none there. We can align this image to the left, center or right of existing content. Leave it at none for the time being, full size, and click insert into post. So that's an image embedded in the post. Over here on the right, we can assign this post to a category or number of categories by ticking a box there. I'll show you how to add some categories in a minute. You can actually add them from this screen here if you want. Say latest news is a popular one. So that's that added. You can give the post some tags again for Google. Add as many of those as you want. Featured image not used most of the time. That's you blogging. Click publish and it goes live on a site. The other thing you'll probably be doing is adding new pages or editing existing pages. So we click on the pages menu, we'll see a list here of existing pages. There's one by default in a new install. Let's add a new one. Click add new, give the page a descriptive name again, but usually max 1-2 words. So about us, say again your content here. You can add an image if you like, same way as for a post. The pages editing screen doesn't have a tags or keywords function on it. We don't really need that. We can make this page a child of an existing page if we want. You can save this as a draft and come back to it later to finish off, or you can publish it live on a site like we did with the blog post. So that's that done. If we go back to the pages menu, we'll see that's now in the list. Similarly, if we go to the posts menu, you can see our new post there. You can go back and edit any page or post you want at any stage. The only other thing you might be doing the odd time is going to appearance and widgets. Appearance and widgets. Widgets are what you see in the sidebar of a page normally. If we take a look at the front end of this site, open it in a new tab here, we'll see our 3 pages there. There's the test post that we just wrote, the About Us page that we just wrote. So these things on the right here are widgets. This is the latest news or recent post widget. It's that area there. The recent comments one is that area, so on. and they match what you see here in appearance and widgets. So you know, if you wanted to get rid of the recent post one, or let's say get rid of all of these, we don't really want search, we don't really want comments, and delete that. It's all about ticking these arrows here on the left hand side, on the right hand side, sorry. Delete all of those. Let's put a new one in, say for your contact details, and drag text. You just literally drag it over here with the mouse and drop it there. We'll call this widget the contact widget. Give it a name there, and type in your phone number here or whatever. And so on. Click save anytime you edit or change a widget. Just click close on that to tidy it up a bit. Go back here and refresh, and you will see all of those ugly widgets have gone, and all we've got left is the contact one and the recent post one, and at any stage you can drag them above and below each other. Refresh, and their recent post is on the top. So that's a little bit of control you might have over the layout on a website. What else have we got here? Settings. Again, that's just something you'll do once, or your web designer will do for you. Tools, nothing going on in there. Users, most people won't need to add or delete users in their sites. Possibly the best thing about WordPress is plugins. You can add a plugin whenever you want to add to the functionality of your site. So one that I would use quite regularly, for example, is a gallery plugin called Next Gen. So we do a search for Next Gen Gallery, search plugins. This will search the online database at wordpress.org, and you get a whole pile of Next Gen related plugins there now. This is the one I want, so just click install now, click OK, and you will see when this is finished downloading, any plugin you download and activate will put a new menu on the left hand side here. So integrates nicely. Successfully installed Next Gen Gallery. I want to activate it straight away, and straight away down here you'll see a new menu item called Gallery. So I can add galleries now to my site. Add gallery. Now it'll ask me to select the files that I want to upload into that gallery, and that will just open a browser on your computer and you can have a look around for files. You can add multiple files at the same time. Once it's grabbed them off your computer, you choose what gallery to put them in. There's the one that I just created. Once you have created a gallery, you can display it in a post or a page simply by going to the page you want to put it in. Let's say about us. We'll put the gallery here where the cursor is. There's a new button on the toolbar here. When you hover over it, it says Next Gen Gallery. Click on that. Which gallery do you want to put in? The one we just created. Insert. So that piece of code now shows a fairly nice gallery on the front end of the website when you update this page. So they're the basics of WordPress for anybody starting out from scratch. It's one of the easiest ones to use and very extensible, and it's free, which keeps the cost down for everybody. So get in touch if you need any more help. Leon at reverbstudios.ie. Thank you.